the next topic what you are going to learn is something related to factors and multiples. You have learned how to find the factors, given numbers, how to find the factors. Now supposing you are given two numbers, okay, you are going to find the common factor of these two numbers. So the next topic is common factors. Common means what? Which are same for both. So given two numbers, you are going to find the common factors for those two numbers taken together. Suppose you have say 8 and 20. Two numbers are given for you. Now you are asked to find out which are the common factors of 8 and 20. So as a first step, what you will do? You will find the factors of 8 and 20 separately. So first you will find the factors of 8. Now what are the factors of 8? By now you should be able to tell what are the factors of 8. Very soon you should be able to, because so many you have done questions. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Then you will find the factors of 20. Now what are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. These are the factors of 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now what is our concern? To find the common factors. Common means which are same for both. So common factors of 8 and 20. Let us try to find out which are all common. This is common. 1 is common. So 1, 2 is also common. 2, 4 is also common. 4, anything else? Here you are having 8. Is 8 coming in the factor for 20? No. So here the common factors of 8 and 20 are 1, 2 and 4. So understood how to find the common factors? That is, you find separately the factors of each given number and then find which is common. So given how many other numbers? Suppose one more number is given. Say 16 is given. 2, 8, 20 and 16. Now how will you find the common factor of all these three? All the three numbers. What you will do? Factors of 8 you have found. Factors of 20 also you have found. We will find the factors for 16 also. What are the factors for 16? Factors of 16. Which are they? 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So common factors of 8, 20 and 16. Which are they? 1 is common for all. 2 is common for all. 4 is also common for all. Now 8 is common for 2 of them. So can we take that here? No. Why? Because you are asked to find the common factor of 3 numbers. So you will be taking only those numbers which are common for all the 3. Here 8 is common for 8 and 16, but not for 8 is not a factor for 20. So that cannot be taken as a common factor for 8, 20 and 16. All the 3 taken together. So hope you have understood how to find the common factors. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. Now of all these factors, the common factors, the highest of this, highest means the greatest of the common factors. Which is the greatest of all these common factors? Which are the factors 1, 2 and 4? Which is the greatest one here? 4. This 4 is called as the highest common factor or HCF. Is abbreviated as HCF. What is expanded for? Highest common factor. How you got a highest common factor? You find factors for the given numbers individually. Then you will find which are the common factors. Finally, you will see among the common factors which is the highest. That will give you the highest common factor for all these numbers. That is 8, 20 and 16. The highest common factor is 4. Have you understood? One more example we will do. Now suppose you are asked to find the highest common factor of 15, 20 and 35. 3 numbers are there. 15, 20 and 35. What you will do first using this method. This method, there are different methods of finding the highest common factor. One such method is by finding the common factors. So first what will you find? Find the factors of 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next find factors of 20. What are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Now what are the factors of 35? Third step is to find the factors of 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. These are the factors of 35. Now what is the next step? To find the common factors of 15, 20 and 35. Which are the common factors of 15, 20 and 35? Which are all common? See, 1 is common for all. Okay, is there. Then which is the next number? 2, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4. Yes, this 5. 5 is common for all. Anything else is common? Here you are having 15, 20, 10, 7, 35. Nothing is common. So the common factors of 15, 20 and 35 are 1 and 5. Among this, which is the highest? 5. So HCF, or the highest common factor of 15, 20 and 35 is 5. Have you understood how to find the highest common factor by this common factor method? Yes. Now another one concept regarding this. See, numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. Numbers which are having only 1 as their common factor are called as co-primes. What are they called as? Co-primes. C-O-P-R-I-M-E-S. Co-primes. So what are co-primes? Numbers whose common factor is only 1. See, here you have got, for these 3 numbers you have got 2 common factors, which are the 1 and 5. Earlier we have seen 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. But there are numbers which will have only 1 as their common factor. Such numbers we call them as co-primes. Let us take one example. Now suppose you take the numbers 4 and 5. Let us try to find the common factors of 4 and 5. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. These are the common factors of, factors of 4. Now what are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. Which are the common factors of 4 and 5? Which is common here? Only 1 is common. Is there anything else which is common for both of them? Factors? No. Only 1 is common for 4 and 5. So such numbers which have got only 1 as their common factor, we call them as co-primes. One such example is 4 and 5, 2 and 3, 2 and 5. Then what? 4 and 7, 7 and 11, 9 and 11. All these are co-primes. They will be having only 1 as their common factor. It's nothing doing prime numbers. Don't think it's something related to prime. Nothing related to prime numbers, because this 4 is a composite number, 5 is a prime number. So there's nothing related to prime numbers here. Co-primes means numbers which are having only 1 as their common factor. The factor which is common for both of them is only 1. Is it clear for you? So have you understood how to find the highest common factor? So we have learned about what is common factor, how to find the common factor we have found out. Then we also learned how to find the highest common factor of the given numbers. Also we have learned about what are co-primes. Is that clear for you? Okay. See, as you have learned about common factors, same thing we are going to do for common multiples also. So something related to multiples. Now how do you find multiples of a number? You take the table of that particular number. Or you multiply the given number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, whatever it is, you get the multiples. So multiples are infinite in number. Many multiples you will get. Many numbers will be found. So you are going to find the common multiples of two numbers. 2 or 3 or 4, whatever number it is. How to find the common multiples? Now, suppose you are given two numbers, say 2 and 10. Let us take two numbers, 2 and 10. Now, you are asked to find the common multiples of 2 and 10. Common, here also common. Common means which are same. So, what you will do, just like common factors, first you will be finding a few multiples of each of these given numbers separately. So, you find multiples of 2. A few multiples you find. Which are multiples of 2? Very easy to find out. Just go for the table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Like that it is going because it is infinite. Now you will find the multiples of 10. A few multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is going on and on. Now what are you going to find? Common multiples of 2 and 10. See, factors, what you have seen, factors are finite. Only certain number of factors will be there. So when you find a common factor also, there is a limitation. But here, since multiples are infinite, even the common multiples what you find will be infinite. So you are not going to find the entire common multiples, which are all the common multiples of a given number. We are not going to find out. We are going to find only a few. So common multiples of 2 and 10. Which is common here? The first one coming is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this 10. So 10 is one common multiple. Next going, yes, 20. 20 is another common multiple. Then here 30. 30 is another common multiple. Since multiples are infinite, common multiples also will be infinite. So few of them are given, the common multiples of 2 and 10. 10, 20, 30, etc. will be the common multiples. Now just like what we have learned for the highest common factor, HCF. Here you are going to find, see, highest you cannot find. Why? Because it is infinite. So many are there, you cannot find out which is the highest. So what you are going to find? You are going to find the lowest common multiple. And we abbreviate it as LCM. LCM means lowest common multiple. So which are the common multiples of 2 and 10? 10, 20, 30, like that it is going. Among this, lowest common multiple means which is the smallest common multiple of 2 and 10. Common multiple is the first one. First one will be the common least common multiple. Which is that? 10. So in HCF, there is another one way for finding. HCF, the highest common means the last common factor. That will be HCF. Here, LCM, the first common multiple will be the LCM. So how do you find LCM? By this method, by finding the common multiples. You find the multiples of the given numbers individually. Then find the common multiples, not all, a few we are finding. Least common means the smallest among that. Smallest among that will be the first one. The first common multiple will be the smallest. So that will be the LCM, least common multiple. So today we have learned about what is prime factorization, how you are doing the prime factorization. Then we have learned about common multiples. Highest common multiple we have learned. So today we have learned about what is prime factorization. Prime factorization is a factorization which involves only prime numbers. Then we have seen how to find the prime factorization of a given number. Then we have seen the common factors. How to find common factors we have seen. Then we have found out the highest common factor. Then we have learned about common multiples. and how to find the least common multiple. Also we have learned about co-primes. Is it clear, children? Thank you.